my name is Carlos Blanco. Today we are going to prepare the fruit salad. The fruit salad contains 1 kiwi, 1 orange, 1 apple and 1 mango. The second step, most important, the banana. Okay, the second step, we peel all the fruits. The third step, we cut all the fruits in small pieces, but this knife we can't. This knife is better. When we finish cutting all the fruits, we put it in a bowl and mix it all the fruits. The last step, orange juice. This is not Fanta. And put it. Last step is to put it in the fridge and to leave it for 2 hours. Later we can eat.